Hi everyone, Mark from the Geek Church here, and man, we've got something for you here. You might be wondering, why am I at this level? And I'm thinking, our product is pretty big here. It's from a company called Coralov, and we're going to be reviewing this here, unboxing it, right after this. You might be asking, what is this thing? Well, it's essentially an under-the-counter drawer/organizer. It's something we've actually reviewed before, honestly. Although this one is bigger and I would have to say much heavier. I'm going to do an unboxing and basically all I'm going to do is show you this product. It's pretty big to fit on camera. I'll give it a shot. Got this. We have this. We have two of these things. And two of these things. What does this become? I think we're just gonna have to put it together and find out. Just like the last time. Okay, as you can see, I got it assembled right here. And you know what? It looks pretty great. Difficult to get this in the shot because it's so beautiful, but I'm pretty sure you can see this. The drawers just come right out. Okay, now I didn't really have a cabinet big enough for this, so basically what you're seeing is what you're getting here. As you can see, you got drawers that pull out. It's pretty simple to see what it does. Now before I go any further, I didn't really make any video of me assembling this, but let me tell you I had a heck of a time assembling it. Part of it was because the instructions on this, basically I thought the screws had to go in this way, but they actually go in the opposite way. It wasn't very specified in the instructions, it just says screw this to this, but it didn't show how. And I could not get this thing to work because the holes in these bars were not large enough if you were going to screw it in this way. And this is kind of complicated to explain, but let me just say I was almost ready to call it on this and basically say I can't figure out how to assemble it. And then I was just about ready to clean up, and then I realized, wait a second, what if I did it this way? And I did it and it worked. The only issue is I have this one screw that I don't remember where I put it on, but I couldn't get it out once I tightened it because I accidentally stripped the head because I used an electric one. Yeah, because I thought, oh, maybe if I just tighten it more it'll work, and then that was just not the solution to the problem. Okay, something I want to bring to your attention are these things right here. See how this thing kind of, let's see, is that even in the shot? Can you tell? Oh, there it is. It's difficult to see, but these things just kind of yank right out, and they don't really have any screws on them. But essentially what it is you basically take this thing and bolt it to the cabinet floor down here with these holes, and then from there you can bolt this to the wall if you want. And since I know that I just said this thing isn't, these parts aren't really screwed on, it should hold there structurally. So we've got that. So you got something for your kitchen, or maybe even your bathroom. I'm not really sure what this is. I think this is more designed for the kitchen, like you'd put your pots and pans in this. What if you could put plates in this if they sorted out really well? I don't really think they'd stick in there. But I do like the idea of plate sorters. That would be kind of cool to have something like that. Anyway, it's a great product. Well, I'm sure I'm going to come up with some use for this in my house. Or maybe I'll get bigger cabinets and use it. If you want this, here's the price right there. And I recommend this thing. This is kind of cool. And it wasn't too hard to build it once I figured out the mistake I was making. And yeah, I did make a mistake building it. I don't have that done video, and I'm kind of glad I don't, really. Anyway, this has been Mark Rollins from the Geek Church, and I'm signing off.